In this quarter, we not accept lie. We prosecute every dancehall member in Jamaica and give them a lawyer to see for them side of the story. This is so them say.
So, Mr. Plummer, who we have in our court today? Oh, yes, Your Honor. We have an artist who goes by the name of Gold God. Alright, Mr. Plummer, thanks dying for that.
Now see how it, Judge.
So, Mr. Gold God, yeah, bring him over here, so.
Judge, you know, see a few artists though. I go the youth, you know, I go the youth, man. I go the youth. Go the youth. Pick up yourself, Gold God. I let me tell you, Your Honor.
Hold on. Are they in our court, man? I found the court right for me. When you see me right sitting, that be nice, man. So, Mr. Gold God, you know, see, I look like I'm innocent youth, you know. But, me see a video on the internet to surface where she was saying, yo, one of the police arrest of him money. Where them money they come from? How white people can I do? Oh, that style, yo, that start they look big, you know. How I go?
Them ask me why me chop so hard and if you worth it.
Judge, when me get a warrant for taking phone and search it.
See the phone here, more can you can't search it.
So, hold on. Where you liar we come to support Mr. Gold God there? Oh, you're liar late, so. How I go? How much you pay him, so?
Big with money.
Mr. Gold God, you have to come and get $1 million to you know.
Hey boy, Judge, you too hungry belly.
Hold on, you know what? Alright, yo, Mr. Plummer, let go Gold God, can lock up a boy there over there, so. Lock him up. May I give him life, may I give him 30 years. You know what, Gold God, you're good, you know. Just pay $10,000 security there, so, and go on, you see me, you're good for now. But that boy, they lock up a boy.
Take a one trip to the shop. What? Never know, say me on a rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. I fi just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry.